In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to adjust the sensitivity and the batteries of the motion sensor on your awning. Start by locating the sensor, usually attached to one of the awning arms or the front bar. Carefully slide the sensor off its mounting plate, then use a flathead screwdriver to remove the battery pack and flip it so the batteries are visible. If the batteries are low, the sensor may cause the awning to retract unexpectedly, so replace them with fresh AAA batteries if needed. Inside the sensor, you'll find a sensitivity dial marked from 0 to 9. Using the screwdriver, adjust the dial to your preferred setting. The lower the number, the more sensitive the awning will be to wind or motion. Once you've made your adjustments, reinsert the battery pack and reattach the sensor to its mounting plate. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and check out our other videos for more helpful tips.